exposing the roots of reggae's rise to global fame. So join us on a musical journey like no other. Picture this, the sunny shores of Jamaica in the 1960s. Reggae was born from a blend of ska and rocksteady, carrying the pulse of the island's heart. But it wasn't just about music. Reggae became the voice of the people, speaking out against oppression and injustice. Then came Bob Marley, the legend who took reggae international. His songs of love, unity, and revolution resonated across continents, making reggae a global phenomenon. From the peaceful rhythms of roots reggae to the high-energy beats of dancehall, the genre kept evolving, always staying true to its core messages. Today, reggae continues to inspire new generations, blending with modern sounds yet preserving its rich heritage. It's more than music, it's a legacy. So, next time you feel that reggae beat, remember, it's part of a worldwide journey that started on a small Caribbean island.
Watch the full episode on our YouTube channel.